This is page 4 of the review. Please don't let the different colors make you wonder why. It's just because I've done the videos at different times. So we're going to find the lateral surface and total surface area of a triangular prism. So triangular prism, so those are the faces. So this is, ooh, did not mean to do that. This is a face. Oh, sorry, that's a base and that's a base because of triangular prism. So lateral surface area is faces, no bases. We are going to take this 3 and put it here. So this is 3 by 4, which is 12. This is 3 by 3, which is 9. And this is 5 by 3, which is 15. And so my faces are 12 and 9 and 15, which is 36. So my lateral surface area is 36 centimeters squared. My area of base, it's a triangle, it's 1/2 BH. Remember that it has to be perpendicular. So it's 1/2 4 times 3, which is 6. Total surface area is all of them. So I have 2 bases. So 2 bases is 12. And so my total surface area is 36 plus 12, which is 48 centimeters squared. The next problem, which net can be folded to form a hexagonal prism. I guess my pictures didn't show up. Let me see if I can do that. All right, we're going to stop the video.